Welcome to the Global Commerce Academy, your dedicated platform for 100% free CMA USA classes, designed to help you achieve your professional goals without any financial barriers. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone looking to upskill, you're in the right place to start your journey toward becoming a certified management accountant. Our mission is to make high-quality education accessible to everyone, regardless of background or experience. Here you'll find a supportive community, expert instructors, and a wealth of resources to guide you every step of the way. We believe that with the right guidance and commitment, anyone can master the skills needed to excel in the world of management accounting. In today's lecture, we're diving into Chapter 6, Top-Level Planning and Analysis, which is part of Section B, Planning, Budgeting, and Forecasting from the CMA USA 2025 Part 1 syllabus. This chapter is crucial for understanding how organizations set their long-term goals and allocate resources efficiently. We'll explore the frameworks and tools that top companies use to create effective strategies, and you'll learn how to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. By breaking down complex ideas into simple, actionable steps, we'll ensure you gain a solid grasp of the planning process. Throughout this chapter, you'll discover how strategic planning is closely linked with high-level financial analysis, and how these concepts work together to guide critical decision-making in large organizations. We'll discuss the importance of aligning financial goals with overall business objectives, and how effective planning can drive sustainable growth. By mastering these skills, you'll be better prepared to contribute to your company's success and advance your own career in management accounting. So get ready to engage, take notes, and make the most of this learning opportunity as we embark on this important chapter together. Top-level planning focuses on long-term goals set by senior management and the board of directors. These plans typically look 3 to 5 years ahead and shape the company's growth strategy, investment roadmap, market expansion plans, and cost structure optimization. CMAs help align these strategic goals with day-to-day operations through actionable financial planning. Today, let's dive deep into the key differences between strategic planning and operational planning, two essential processes that are fundamental to driving organizational success. Understanding how these two planning approaches work together can help any business, large or small, achieve its goals more effectively and efficiently. Strategic planning is all about setting the vision and direction for the future. It's a long-term process, typically spanning 3 to 5 years, and is usually led by top management or the executive team. This planning focuses on defining the organization's mission, setting ambitious goals, and identifying the best path forward to achieve sustainable growth. Strategic plans often involve analyzing market trends, assessing competitive landscapes, and making high-level decisions that shape the company's future. It's about asking, where do we want to be in 5 years, and how do we get there? In contrast, operational planning is much more tactical and short-term in nature. It breaks down the strategic plan into actionable steps, often with a 1-year or quarterly focus. Department heads and managers take the lead here, ensuring that day-to-day activities align with the broader strategy and that teams stay on track to meet immediate objectives. Operational plans detail specific tasks, assign responsibilities, allocate resources, and set deadlines. They answer the question, what do we need to do this month or this quarter to move closer to our strategic goals? Certified Management Accountants, or CMAs, play a crucial role as the bridge between strategy and operations. They translate high-level strategic goals into measurable financial targets, monitor progress, and ensure that every operational decision supports the organization's long-term vision. By providing financial insights and performance analysis, CMAs help organizations stay agile, make informed decisions, and adapt plans as needed to stay competitive in a rapidly changing business environment. SWOT Analysis. That's identifying strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Balanced Scorecard, which measures performance across financial, customer, internal process, and learning perspectives. Porter's 5 Forces. Analyzing industry competition. PESTLE Analysis. Considering political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental impacts. These tools help businesses anticipate market shifts and adjust financial strategies. So, top-level planning really relies heavily on financial analysis to support strategic decisions. This includes ratio analysis, trend analysis, break-even analysis, variance analysis, and scenario planning. All of these, honestly, help CMAs provide data-driven insights to upper management. Top-level plans often include 3 to 5 year forecasts, such as revenue growth targets, capital investment planning, debt management, cost structure shifts, and decisions about divestitures or expansions. CMAs work with FP&A teams to build realistic, flexible long-term projections. Key performance indicators, or KPIs, are used to track whether top-level plans are on track. Some examples include ROA, which stands for Return on Assets, Gross Margin Percentage, EBITDA, Revenue per Region, and Market Share Growth. CMA professionals are expected to set, measure, and interpret KPIs at the strategic level. Top-level planning must factor in risks like market risk, currency fluctuations, regulatory changes, supply chain disruptions, and emerging competitors. CMAs help build contingency plans to handle uncertainty effectively. To sum up, top-level planning and analysis is truly the cornerstone of any successful organization. It's not just a high-level concept or a buzzword, it's the essential process that transforms a company's vision into a practical, actionable roadmap. This roadmap doesn't just sit on a shelf, it actively guides every department, every team, and every individual toward achieving shared objectives. By aligning resources, setting clear priorities, and anticipating both opportunities and challenges, top-level planning creates a strong foundation for sustainable growth and long-term success. It ensures that everyone in the organization is moving in the same direction, working together to overcome obstacles and seize new possibilities as they arise. This strategic direction is then translated into financial clarity and operational excellence. As a CMA, your role extends far beyond simply managing budgets or crunching numbers. You are the bridge between strategy and execution, responsible for interpreting complex financial data, ensuring accuracy in reporting, and providing actionable insights that help your organization make informed, data-driven decisions. Your expertise enables leaders to see the bigger picture, understand the financial implications of their choices, and steer the company toward its goals with confidence. You also play a key part in advising leadership on financial strategy, risk management, and resource allocation. Your ability to analyze trends, forecast future outcomes, and recommend effective solutions makes you an invaluable asset to your organization. This was Chapter 6 from Section B of CMA USA Part 1, Planning, Budgeting, and Forecasting for 2025. Remember, mastering these concepts is not just about passing exams. It's about building a strong foundation for your career as a finance professional and making a real impact in the business world. So, if you want to stay ahead and gain full syllabus coverage, subscribe to the Global Commerce Academy. We break down every topic with real-world clarity, practical examples, and expert guidance to help you succeed in your CMA journey and beyond. Join our community of ambitious learners and future leaders, and take the next step toward achieving your professional goals. Don't miss out on the latest updates, tips, and resources designed to help you excel in your studies and your career. Subscribe now, and let's build your success story together.